things like that. Bunch of kale. So I heard you say salt to taste under your breath. That kind of thing. And I was complaining to her, like, why does why a lemon, that drives me crazy because lemons are such different sizes. And she said, we won't tell you exactly what Paula said. I'm sorry, I'm not being articulate. Exactly what Paula said.
Don't give information that people don't need.
Yeah. Exactly. And I thought that was so helpful.
Another thing for me is that I spent many, many years as a restaurant critic and would thoroughly review cookbooks, and I was constantly falling into these traps where I would read a recipe and I'd be like, that doesn't seem like it's gonna work. And then I would always assume that the cookbook author knew something I didn't, that it was like, well, maybe you do, braise it for 4 hours. I don't know. And then I'd do it and it would, sometimes it would work, and then you learn a great new trick, and anyway.
Can I add one more? There's also such a thing as localization, right? So I was not so long ago in Dallas, Texas, for an event presenting my book, and I found that bunches of kale in Texas are a lot larger than bunches of kale in California, right? So there is also that to me that matters. And so I try to just, first of all, make it not matter, and if it really does matter, then you just give a weight, right? So there's always that.
Yeah.